Hey guys, it's Beazers, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing a tutorial type thing on perspective. So sorry if I sound kind of stuffed up. I am. So yeah, lucky me. It's probably just allergies, hopefully. um, so basically, what perspective oh crap, that was horrible. I'm gonna get another brush for this. Ah, okay, so. Okay, my pen pressure is working. Okay. We good. We good. Alright. 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 So basically, it's like when, you have like a character, right? And it's how things that are here, this is not the best drawing, but, things that are closer, um, appear bigger than things that are farther away. Um, so basically, a good way to kind of practice perspective is with 3D shapes, such as boxes and cylinders. So, this isn't perfect, but you can get like a box and notice how the sides kind of appear smaller as they go along. You can study a actual box, which might help you, and if we kind of just decide to erase these lines, right? Okay, this is gonna take a while. We erase these lines, right here. We'll have, these two. Now, if you notice, they are going kind of in a certain direction, which is like this direction. And that kind of makes it appear smaller. And basically, if you notice, this line is bigger than this line. Not by a lot, I think, by just a little bit. I'm gonna erase here and here now, and see that, here we have a bigger line, which is why it appears to be, smaller or more far away in the back. So to do this with a character, you have like a cat, you have their arm, one arm is here, or they're like taking a little selfie or something, and then one arm is like this. Now if you notice, this arm right here gets bigger as it comes more towards the screen. And this arm is a little bit smaller, so that it can appear more like farther away. So there is, however, a way to make this, like, to do it incorrectly, which would be like if you have a character, right, and their body is this way, and you draw them like so small, you don't want to overdo it, because that just doesn't look right. Like, like, it also is sometimes a little bit hard, especially with like complicated back structures, to do like the back legs, because you feel like, it's gonna go in, so I would always draw the back legs like that, when in reality they should be drawn kind of, obviously this isn't a very good drawing, but like more like curved than that. And yeah, so you do need to still take body structure, or just the structure of the object, into consideration. And you could also practice this with like a cylinder kind of shape, and then kind of do that. Yeah, you can kind of practice this with that, and it's not very good, but hopefully it helps. There's a lot to dissect with perspective, but hopefully I can do a short little drawing to help you understand like what, not a finished, well yeah, maybe a finished drawing, not really, probably not, I don't know, I'm not going to do a finished drawing right now, but what a legitimate sketch or drawing will look like when having, with, when you incorporate of perspective. Obviously, I'm not the best person to teach this, but I think I'm pretty alright at perspective. So hopefully, I can help you guys understand this. So I will see you back in a sec. I'm going to do a drawing. I don't really know how to get sped up footage quite yet. So yeah. Alright, so here's the not finished really, but the lined drawing. And I use perspective to kind of show how everything seems bigger in the front and smaller in the back. So yeah. Hopefully you guys liked this tutorial. I forgot to, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but it was suggested. So yeah, my Twitter may or may not be linked in the description. I have no idea. But yeah, if you guys want more of this content, let me know. And if there are any videos you'd like to see me do, also let me know. Like and subscribe if you want. I don't know. Whatever, man. I love you guys, and bye!